Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. And students, after completing essay 1 part, now from today we are going to start essay 2 part. And our first chapter of essay 2 part is lesson number 7, the Tun Tun Town, the musician. It is lesson number 7 because we are starting from essay 2 from today only. So it is also called as the first chapter. That is, here it is said as lesson 7 because it is coming in our textbook as lesson number 7 of essay 2. Okay, in this chapter now we are going to know about the 4 animals, that is donkey, dog, teddy cat and rooster. How they were thrown out of their house, what they were doing and what happened with them, all we are going to know one by one. And also in this chapter now there are 4 robbers also. So we are going to do how these animals are going to throw the robbers out of the house. Okay, so first is the robber. Now the robber was the donkey was very hard working animal. He used to work for many years. He was working there from many years, and now he was become little bit old now. So because of that farmer told to him that now you are not able to carry the luggages also, you have become old and you are of no use to me, so you should go out of my house. And he just removed him from the house. By hearing this now, the donkey became very sad, and what he did, he was feeling like he has to cry, but then he moved forward and said that that farmer has thrown me out, but I will go to the town and I will become the musician there. And by thinking this now, he was thinking also that I am very old, you see that no one is taking care of me, I have no house, I have no home, and what will I do now, I don't even know. And by thinking all that, now he came into the idea came into his mind that I will move to the Tun Tun town and I will become the musician there. And by thinking that, he was just moving forward, and on the way what happened, he made the dog. He was just sleeping there, and he was sleeping on the side of the road. So when the donkey saw him now, he went near to him and asked him, why you are here, what happened to you, what happened, donkey, just tell me what happened with you. The dog says that I am now became little bit deaf. I am not able to hear anything, and because of that now my master has thrown me out of the house, and because of that now I am feeling that I am slightly deaf now, and because of that master has thrown me out, so what should I do? He was thinking in that when he also sang that I am very old now, and you see now what I will do there, no one is taking care of me, I have no house and I have no home, and what will I do now, I don't know. And he was also singing that song, and by hearing that song and hearing his voice now, the donkey told him that don't get worried, you do one thing, you are coming with me and we both will go to the Tun Tun town and we will become the musician there. So the dog thought, okay, let it be, I will also move with the donkey to become the musician. And he moved forward. On the way, when they both were moving now, they saw one teddy cat there. So the teddy cat was how she was very thin, and she has the strips on her fur. And what are you doing here, asked the donkey to her, that why you are here and what are you doing. So that teddy cat told him that I have not able to catch the mice, and because of that my master has thrown me out of the house, that I am of no use to him. So he thrown me out only. And he also starts singing that I am very poor, I have no one take care of me, I have no home, I have no house, and what will I do? I really don't know. And she was also singing that what I will do now. So by hearing this that donkey told to her that do one thing, you also join us, you also come with us, we are going to the Tuntun town to become the musician, you also join us, you also live, you also move to the Tuntun town and you also become the musician with us. So all the three of them were moving forward. On the way they meet the rooster, and by seeing the rooster, the donkey asked him again that why you are here, what happened with you. At that time the rooster told to him that I am became very old and I oversleeps now, and because of that I am not able to get up early in the morning, and my master thought that I am of no use, and because of that he has thrown me out of the house. And he also starts singing that I am very poor, no one take care of me, and I have no house, I have no home, what will I do? I don't know. And he was singing all that. So by hearing this that donkey told to the rooster that you do one thing, you also join us, you also come with us, we are all going to Tuntun town only to become the musician, you also join us and move to the Tuntun town to become the musician. So move with us only. And when they were moving forward they reached to the forest, and suddenly what happened that they saw a house. So they were moving near to that, and when they near to that window they saw inside, they saw that there were 4 robbers who were sitting by the fire and were having the very good hot food there. They were eating very good hot food. So now the donkey said that let's think of a plan and we will remove them out of the house. They were thinking and so they get together there and they start discussing about the idea what they are going to do. And after discussing they got the idea also, and what they did, they got the position, and when they start getting the position, the donkey counted 1 2 3, and what happened there when they told 1 2 3, and they were all started shouting at a time. The donkey like bread and the dog barked and the cat meowed, and the rooster what said, the rooster crowned, and they were rushed into the house. They just rushed into the house, they crash and boom, and all things were getting changed now. So one of the robbers saw the cat eyes. When all the animals got inside in that house the one of that robber saw the cat's eyes, and it was like yelled to him, and he shout round, just run from here, someone is there, they are the 2 balls of fire and we have to just run from here. By saying this the second robber was just bite by the dog, and by biting what the robber shouted that run, some are there who are having the knife and they are throwing to us and they will cut with the knife. And by moving forward, the donkey just kicked to the robber and he yelled. Means what he did, the donkey kicked. As you know, the donkey kicked so the donkey kicked the one of the robber and he yelled. And by yelling he replied that run, there are the ghosts who are thrown me over. Means according to him what he felt, that he felt that the ghost is coming here and he is throwing me out of the house. And by that time now that robber, that rooster was also now crowded, and he was shouting very loudly like cock a doodly doo. And when he was shouting now, when the one of the robber heard, and he thought that they are just shouting to us to go out from the house, and they all four of them just ran out from the house. And when they ran from the house now, all these four animals just come inside to the house, and one or the other take the position. Also the cats here sit near the fire, the dog was sitting under the table, the donkey sleep on the donkey was sleeping in the barn, and the rooster was sleeping on the roof, and they sleep there very happily. And after leaving there only, what they did, they went sometime to the to town also, and what they did there, they even gave the concert also there. Okay, so in this way how they four animals lived after getting out of the house now, that we got to know. Okay students, so bye and take care of yourself.